Okay, so a lot of people look at this one and they say, I want to cancel these logs because they're equal. They're the same base, right? And they're equal to each other, so we can cancel them. But we can't do that because this -2 is not included in the log. It's not included in the parentheses. Over here, the -4 is because it's included in the parentheses, but here it's not. It's not part of the log, so there we can't simplify it by just canceling the logs. So what we have to do, the only thing we can really do is get the logs on the same side and use one of our properties of logs to combine them. So what we have to do is we have to take this -2 and move it over to the other side, and then we have to take this negative log base 4 of 2x plus 4 and move it over to the other side. So to do that, we have to add them. We get log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of 2x minus 4. That's going to be equal to positive 2. Okay, so all we did was added 2 to both sides, and then added negative log of 4, or added log base 4 of 2x minus 4 to both sides. This is a product rule because it's addition. We're adding two logs of the same base together. We can take their product, log base 4. X times 2x minus 4 is 2x squared minus 4x. Still equal to 2. Okay, now we're kind of stuck. There's not really any more combination we can do. We can't really do anything else with this. So what we have to do then is we can actually convert this into an exponent. So this is the thing where we drop the base, flip everything else. So that's going to come over here. This is going to come over here. Okay, so it's going to be 4 squared equals 2x squared minus 4x, which means we are going to have 16 equals 2x squared minus 4x. Okay, and now again there's not really much we can do, but we see this is a quadratic, so we know that we can actually set it equal to 0 to solve for x. So we get 2x squared minus 4x minus 16. All right, and then this is still equal to 0. So now we have to factor this. Well, we have a common factor of 2. There's 2. 2 goes into there. 2 goes into there. So we have 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 8. That's equal to 0. Oh, well, then this is factorable. X squared minus 2x minus 8. So we have 2 times x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, well, then we know that x equals 4. And x equals negative 2. And then it turns out this x equals negative 2 is not a good answer because you actually can't take a log of a negative number. So we can't plug in negative 2 right here. So the only answer that works is our positive one. If you don't catch that on the test, that's fine. I haven't made that very clear. So it'll be okay, but it's more proper to actually cancel that out and just say that our only answer is x equals 4, and that's it. We're done. So in general, what you have to do is you have to get all the logs onto the same side. And then by themselves, combine them using product rule, and then convert your log into an exponential, because then that's going to give you a quadratic, which you can then set equal to 0 and factor to solve for x.